Heyo, how's it going, folks? Today's a super special episode. Hope you guys are excited. Let me show you real quick. I actually just got my Monster Bass box in here. Super excited to open it up and share what's in it with you guys, good old okay anglers like yourselves. Man, against my better judgment, I just put my shirt back on to rep the an okay angler swag. Until I get these shirts up on Amazon, hit me up on Instagram if you would like to cop a dope shirt to help you catch more fish, or at least maybe give you some more confidence. Look at that. Bass fishing rods and reels, an okay angler, to let people know that you are also an okay angler. So before we start getting into all this, I want to send a huge shout out to the whole Monster Bass team, everybody that's, you know, working together and putting out all their killer content. I have some Lunkerhunt baits already, so I'm probably going to throw them in the mix and, you know, take some pics with them and all that stuff. But anyway, let's go ahead and get into the box. I haven't really done a Monster Bass unboxing since one of my slams way earlier on, like one of my first Monster Bass boxes. I'm starting to see topwater activity picking up. I'm pretty much standing, look at this. I'm pretty much hiding in the shade over here. There's just so much, it's so hot, dude. There's no shade anywhere else. There's just so much heat beating down. So like I was saying, I'm gonna get over here, open this Monster Bass box, show you guys a few of my other Lunkerhunt baits. This is the Monster Bass. One thing that I want to mention real quick before we open this up, this is in fact the National Series box. A lot of folks get the Regional Pro Series. I wanted to try something different, and it's also a little bit cheaper. If you want to try, you know, the cheaper alternative to the Regional Pro box, go ahead and drop down in the description. Click on that link and it'll take you to my referral links, and you should be able to find it on their website. This is the National box, also known as the Big Bass box. The baits aren't always the same as what they get in the Regional Pro Series. So it's kind of cool to, you know, to get something different from what everybody else is throwing. And anyway, like I said, it's a National box. There's a lot of different baits in here. Sometimes it'll be similar, sometimes it'll be different. So this box is probably going to be a lot like the Regional box, simply because this is in fact the Lunkerhunt Takeover box. So first up, what do we have here? Oh snap, you guys, this is dope. Look at this, it even says right here, well, whoops, I kind of jacked it up. It says everything you need to crush your PB. Lunkerhunt LTS Avid Fishing Bags coming soon. Lunkerhunt Premium Fishing Products. I'm super excited. It says inside this Monster Bass monthly box is a collection of hard-hitting, monster-smashing, blow-up splashing lures brought to you by Lunkerhunt Premium Fishing Products. We got some discount codes up in here. Oh, there's the Lunkerhunt sticker. Definitely going to slap that probably on my crate here somewhere. Anyway, let's get into the box though. Got some discount stuff. Let's get into them though. This looks like a, yep, Lunkerhunt, Lunker Frog. I actually have a few of these. I have one tied on right here actually. This is a green tea. This one is, what flavor are you? Poison Frog. I like that. So that's definitely going to come into play. Let's put that in the front. Oh yes, these things are going to get bit, I can tell you right now. This is a Lunkerhunt Lunker stick. I'm guessing it's like a 5-inch bubblegum 10-pack. Dope. That's a good pack of worms right there. Let's get that up there. Here we have the Lunkerhunt Prop Fish. It is another ICAST award-winning lure. I do also have another one of these, so that's perfect. This is the Lunkerhunt Shad Prop Fish Stealth color, I guess. Stealth Prop Fish, that's dope. That's going to the front. Here we have the Lunkerhunt Yappa Bug from the Yappa series. I believe there's a Yappa Bug, Yappa Rat, and then I don't know, let me know if there's another one. Bug, the Rat, I don't know. That's pretty dope though. What color is this? This is the Lunkerhunt Midnight Yappa Bug. So we got the Stealth, the Midnight, that's kind of dope, and the Poison Frog. This is something I'm really excited for. Last year when this came out, I was mega excited and I never picked one up. Who knows, you know, how long it would have been before I actually broke down and bought one. But there was a day whenever they were biting, I actually watched on top of the water, just spiders skittering around all over the place. I was watching them get blown up on And I would flick my bait out there and nothing, dude. I was thinking fish were just gonna tear my bait up, top water, it didn't matter. It seemed like they were really focusing on spotters. So I figured if I got this bait, this would definitely come into play. And actually, we'll talk about it here in a little bit, but I'm actually at that spot where I seen all that happening now. And then last but not least, we've got a few little random assortment here. We've got a straight shank round bend, an EWG, and then a straight shank offset bend, or I don't know what you call that. Anyway, nice little 3-piece assortment here. We'll try to throw these since we're, you know, mostly fishing topwater baits. We may be able to get bit on that. Like I said, this Phantom spotter, something I'm really looking forward to. Probably gonna be one of the first few things. It's a 1/4 ounce. 2-inch 1/4 ounce. I don't know, we'll see. Let's throw this stuff up here. Like I said, I've already got a whole bunch of Lunkerhunt stuff rigged up. I'm probably gonna leave this and the popper on, and then actually, you know what, I may change this out. Stick around, stay tuned. I'm gonna get rigged, and I'll see you guys on the water in the next episode. For now, I just wanted to share this box with you guys. That's all the baits in my Monster Bass box. I hope you guys enjoyed this little preview. I didn't want to really do a super long video on this one. I'm already probably 12 minutes in or so. Monster Bass box, if you guys haven't tried Monster Bass, drop down in the description. I'll leave you a link. It helps me out in the long run, and you guys get to test out some dope baits. I'm gonna probably take this shirt off now. I thought I was gonna wear it to rock my swag, but dude, it's super hot. If you guys have noticed, I haven't made mention about the giveaway since I dropped the giveaway video. So I was looking for a more specific answer, but hey, hold on just a minute. Don't click away just yet. What I plan on doing, since you know, that giveaway was kind of a flop, I didn't really announce it too well. If you guys have any interest in winning this tackle right here, sorry it's all just piled up in the kayak here. I'm gonna fish these baits, and then drop that video, get on there, comment. You're gonna be entered in to win the entire Monster Bass box that I just showed you guys. So stick around, stay tuned, don't go anywhere. I am gonna keep the sticker though, sorry. I'm gonna keep the sticker. Just waiting on, look at this. The sun is just creaming me right now. It's so hot, beaming down. Look, my hand's probably on fire. I don't know, is it smoking? Thanks for watching, sticking around, staying tuned. Really appreciate it, you guys. You're the best subs on YouTube. I'm all loaded up, ready to go. Let me go ahead and jump on the water and see if I can do any good here. Thanks again. We'll see you next time. Peace out.